Welcome to Dad Talks. My name is Tarun. We've got someone extremely special in the studios today. She is exceptional when it comes to the expertise that she holds. I think she can read my brain. She can read through me because I think I'm still a child, and वो सब बातें हम करेंगे आगे. Shweta Gandhi in the studios, ladies and gentlemen, and she's an expert when it comes to psychology, not just for child but for teens as well. Welcome, Edgy. How are you doing?
थैंक यू एक्सीलेंट यहाँ पे आके तबीयत और भी अच्छी हो गई
Thank you very much. मेरा तो nature ही ऐसा है. All right, Shweta, let's get into it. When it comes
Yes.
to, you doing what you do, first of all, I want to know why you do this.
Because this mission, the knowledge that I have and what I'm going to talk to you in next 30 minutes, ये इतना crucial है and this every parent should know because when you know better, you do better. So you need to know better as a parent
I'm
for
gonna
your
get a
child.
T-shirt made for this.
Yeah.
When you know
No.
better, you do better. I
Yeah.
love this, dude. Okay, so let's get into it. When it comes to the kids, what are the key developmental milestone parents should look for when it comes to the growth of them?
So, majorly, there are three big windows that we look at.
Hmm.
First is 0 to 7 years, first window.
Hmm.
7 to 14 years, second window. And 14 to 21 years is the third window. 0 to 7 years में बच्चा आपसे क्या चाहता है? Secured attachment, lot of physical love, lot of togetherness, attachment, bonding. 0 to 7 years, you are basically building your child's brain with lot of physical and emotional love and connect.
Okay.
7 to 14 years, you are no more the center of your child's life. You are not their first influence. Their first influence is their
Peers, friends.
peers, friends, right? So that is the time when they are actually, building on their academics, they're going out, they're talking to friends, they're learning so many new things which parents are not exposing them to, but their friends are. And 14 to 21 years is their age of self-identity. Who am I? What are my likings? What do I stand for? What is the unique thing that I have I'm bringing to this world? So lot of self-identity questions arise in this phase where parents ka role should only be as a mentor and a coach to the child and not be the advisory board or a nagging parent or constantly telling aisa mat karo, waisa mat karo. So at each phase, parental role changes. What you are right now to your daughter, you're not going to be this forever to her because as she will age, your roles towards her will keep on evolving. So it is very necessary as a parent, you keep growing along with your child.
And you got to be very mindful about that, your approach in a way.
Absolutely.
7 साल तक तो मुझे प्यारी करना है ना अभी.
प्यारी करना है
चलो ठीक
पर कैसे
बोलिए.
करना है कैसे करना है क्या क्या करना है शायद मैं थोड़ा आपको बता सकती हूँ.
प्लीज बताओ. थोड़ा मत बताओ, सब बताओ.
So basically 0 to 1 year is again full of physical love. ठीक है, जितना आप body touch because उससे उनका brain stimulate होता है. When a child is born, her brain, your daughter's brain already had 86 billion neurons in the brain. Neurons, right?
86 billion.
86 billion neurons already उसके brain में थे. These neurons are waiting to connect with each other. Neural connections जो हम बोलते हैं. आपने जब उसको first time hold किया, एक connection बना. मम्मा ने feed किया, दूसरा connection बना. आपने potty clean किया. So with all the environment exposure she is getting, her brain is actually building. Her neural connections are building so much so that जब तक your daughter is 2-year-old, her brain has double the neural connection that Tarun's brain has. Double the neural connections
That my brain has.
that your brain
You're
has.
underestimating me, bro.
No, just generally as an adult.
Okay.
Any adult.
मैं अकेला ऐसा आधा क्यों है?
No. For me, with my kids as well, right?
Okay.
An adult brain and a child's
Yeah,
brain.
yeah.
I'm just giving
Yeah,
your
no,
personal
yeah,
example.
I'm also joking.
Right? So basically, उसके ब्रेन में इतने सारे न्यूरल कनेक्शंस हैं और इतने सारे न्यूरल कनेक्शंस का मतलब क्या है? इतना ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोजन, इतना ज़्यादा टैंट्रम, इतना ज़्यादा आई वांट दिस, ये वो, बिकॉज न्यूरल कनेक्शंस इतने. और हमारे क्यों कम है? क्यों बच्चे से कम है हमारे? डू यू नो दैट?
नहीं.
आप पूछोगे यार आप मुझे अंडर एस्टिमेट कर रहे हो, मेरे क्यों कम है? बिकॉज आवर ब्रेन हैज दिस वेरी नेचुरल सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूरल प्रूनिंग. मतलब जो वायर्स बार बार यूज नहीं हो रहे हैं वो फेड अवे हो जाते हैं.
So is that called maturity? No?
Is that called maturity or is it just the brain's way of focusing on what is important. जो important नहीं है, जो use नहीं हो रहा है, उसको fade away कर दो.
Okay. Oh, that's very interesting.
Very
yeah,
interesting,
Shweta.
right? So that's also neuroplasticity. Our brain is highly adaptive. So 3 to 5 years में मेरे बच्चे को क्या चाहिए मेरे से? बहुत ज़्यादा patience, presence, calmness चाहिए. Again, why? Because let's say this is my child's brain. This is the brain, okay? This is the thinking brain. This prefrontal cortex, kapal. This is that. And यहाँ पे जो होता है, this is the emotional brain, जो हमारा brain इस तरह से है, right? Now, what is happening when your daughter she's 10 months, as she will grow, 15 months, 20 months, tantrums आएंगे. यही चाहिए, ऐसे ही करना है. What is happening? बच्चों का emotional brain is highly developed in 0 to 5 years. But the thinking brain is not at all developed until 5 years. ये 5 years पे तो develop होना start होता है. और कब तक develop होता है?
21 तक?
25 तक.
25 तक.
25 तक.
Okay.
0 to 5 years में आप जितना भी बच्चे को लॉजिक समझाओगे, समझ नहीं आता, इतनी बार समझाया, ये कर रहे, वो कर रहे, नहीं समझेगा. बिकॉज जब भी टैंट्रम आता है, उसका इमोशनल ब्रेन हाईजैक कर लेता है उसका थिंकिंग ब्रेन. एंड देयर आर सो मेनी इमोशंस and that needs to be met with lot of calmness. So 3 to 5 years में as a parent, I have to give a lot of presence and patience to my child.
So whenever, like, you think as a parent that your child is throwing tantrums, वो जिद्दी है, सुनता नहीं है, the terrible twos, the threes, the fours and fives, it's not their fault. It is how their brain is working, and it's so important for parents to know this. And thank you so much for that incredible piece of wisdom.
So 3 points हमें हमेशा याद रखने हैं. My child is not giving me a hard time. My child is having a hard time because thinking brain hijack हो चुका है.
It's all emotions.
And he does not know only when my child is throwing a tantrum, he's telling me, Mama, I'm having this overwhelm of emotions and I don't know how to deal with. Because they really don't know, because their brains are so underdeveloped. My entire nervous system is so immature कि थोड़ा भी overstimulation I can't handle. और मैं कैसे express करूँगा? Through tantrum.
Yeah.
So मेरा emotional brain is hijacking my thinking brain, and that's the reason I cannot think logically. And अगर आप भी उसमें डांटोगे, don't you get it, this, that, ये और trigger हो रहा है. But if his chaos meets with my calm, okay बच्चा, I get it, I understand, relax, I'm right here with you. तो उसका इमोशनल ब्रेन गोज बैक इन इट्स प्लेस, थिंकिंग ब्रेन एक्टिवेट होता है, थिंकिंग ब्रेन जो ऑफलाइन हो गया है वो ऑनलाइन आता है, एंड धीरे 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 मेरा बच्चा समझने लगता है. ऑल्सो वन मोर वेरी सरप्राइजिंग थिंग, लेट मी टेल यू, योर चाइल्ड्स ब्रेन नीड्स अ मिनिमम ऑफ 30 encounters in 0 to 5 years, 30 encounters of each incident for it to register it in their brain and to follow that rule. मतलब अगर मैंने मेरे बच्चे को बोला जंक फूड ओनली ऑन संडेज, वी आर नॉट हैविंग चिप्स ऑन मंडेज ट्यूसडेज, ओनली ऑन संडेज, चिप्स खाना है, ओके विल ईट बट ऑन संडे. मेरे बच्चे को ये समझने के लिए 30 एनकाउंटर्स चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने तरुण को एक बार समझा दे, तरुण अंडरस्टूड हाउ, बिकॉज योर लॉजिक ब्रेन इज फुल्ली डेवलप्ड. मेरे बच्चे का लॉजिक ब्रेन डेवलप ही नहीं है, तो उसको 30 एनकाउंटर्स चाहिए. एंड व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स व्हाट दे डू इज, एक बार बच्चे को बोलेंगे, 2 बार बोलेंगे, एंड दे आर लाइक हमसे नहीं होगा ये जेंटल पेरेंटिंग, मारो इसको, डांटो तब भी समझेगा. They give up. So your child needs 30 encounters for their brain to register it, and for them to actually start going with it, that
With
okay,
the
you know what,
routine
this is the rule, this is my rhythm, this is how we do it.
I laughed because मेरे साथ वो हुआ था बचपन में. 2 बार माँ बाप ने गिव अप कर दिया.
हाँ, absolutely. हम सबके साथ में, we all were raised like that.
तो 30 वाला रूल अभी बहुत अच्छा है. तो what a great piece of advice from Shweta, that you have to do it 30 times to make it a habit, to make it a routine, to make it a rule. And again, very, very interesting. But I want to talk to you about something, like we were, talking about how people have to be patient and everything, correct? When it comes to parents who are not being patient during this particular age of 0 to 5, what is the impact of that behavior with beating, with scolding in a longer run on the kids?
It's a lot. And why I tell you, because I'm an NLP master coach and I understand subconscious mind.
Okay.
0 to 7 years में आपके बच्चे का एंटायर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड प्रोग्रामिंग हो रहा है। मतलब आप समझो आपका बच्चे का ब्रेन एक ऐप है और आप प्रोग्रामिंग से वो ऐप बिल्ड कर रहे हो और उसमें कुछ भी नेगेटिव प्रोग्रामिंग हो रहा है, मतलब आपके ऐप में क्या है, वायरस आया है
Okay.
एंड इट्स गोना शट डाउन, इट्स गोना ब्रेक डाउन। जितना पॉजिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग होता है उतना उसका ऐप, उसका ब्रेन, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड उतना स्ट्रांग होता है। वन स्मॉल वर्ड जो मैं बच्चे को बोलती हूँ, अगस्त्य यू कैन डू इट बच्चा, आई ट्रस्ट यू, that's going to take him a long way because each word that I'm speaking to my child, he's internalizing it. And in times of crisis, वो जब स्कूल जा रहा है, जब मैं नहीं हूँ अराउंड, जब उस पर क्राइसिस आया, उसका वो इनर वॉइस आएगा that I'm a champion, I can do it. My mama has faith in me, I can do it. Mama has told me I can do it. मेरे अंदर से भी आवाज हो रही है, double the magnitude in my head of that voice that you can do it, and I will do it. And surprise, 70% of our self-talk is the narrative that our parents have told us in our 0 to 7 years.
Oh, wow.
And this is a neuroscience fact.
70% of our inner voice is our parents'
Our
narrative.
parents is how they have spoken to us.
Yeah.
When I tell my child you're lazy, आप ये नहीं कर सकते, उसको देखो वो कितने अच्छे से कर रहा है, वो उसका सेल्फ वर्थ क्वेश्चन कर रहा है, उसका एंजाइटी बढ़ रहा है। ऑल ऑफ दिस दैट आई एम टॉकिंग टू माय चाइल्ड, मैं एक्चुअली प्रोग्राम कर रही हूँ मेरे बच्चे को।
And the comparison. Yeah.
एंड उसका एंजाइटी, सेल्फ वर्थ, ऑल ऑफ दिस हमें 0 to 7 years में हमें लगता है कहाँ जाएगा, यहीं पे आने वाला है।
But that
But
is the
7 to 14
most important.
years, then your child is going to go away from you, and then your child faces lot of anxiety, mental issues, overthinking हो रहा है, performance नहीं आ रहा है, छोटी सी बात में pressure feel हो रहा है। ये सब 0 to 7 years में हमने जो damage किया है उस वजह से आ रहा है। All of these traumas are taking shape in their brain and your child is reflecting with these kind of behaviors.
When it comes to 0 to 7 years of age, again being so fragile and so crucial in the journey of life, how do parents discipline the kids then? I understand the tantrum. I understand that, you know, वो गोदी में उठाने को बोल रही है, उठाओ उसको, आज जंक खाना है खिलाओ उसको, आज आइसक्रीम खानी है खिलाओ. Is that like, do we surrender to every whim and will of them, or like of theirs?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
So let us understand, सबसे पहले gentle parenting over abuse हो चुका है. Gentle parenting लोगों को एकदम incomplete information है and they don't really know what it is, and hence there's a lot of talk around it but they don't even know what it is.
So let's talk about
Yeah.
gentle parenting.
So let me break it down for you what gentle parenting is.
Yeah.
Gentle parenting is being absolutely compassionate, empathetic with your child. You want an ice cream? I know you want an ice cream. However, our days for ice cream is Sunday. So you know what? We're going to have it on Sunday. I know, I feel you. You want it? Sure. But you know what? We have boundaries. We have rules. I'm firm. I'm polite with you. And if you want to cry, sure, I'm right here. I understand you. But do we get an ice cream? We don't. Gentle parenting is all about being present, being empathetic, also holding boundaries and being very, very firm about it. I will not give in to my child's every demand because my child is a headless chicken right now. He does not know what's right, what's wrong, how much is good, how much is too much. I am the smarter one, or I am the one with better brain or more developed brain. So I have to decide.
Discipline myself and then the child.
And the problem is, first of all, parents, they don't know how to handle a tantrum. Tantrum जब आता है तो खुद इतने panic हो जाते हैं. So first, whenever there's a tantrum, regulate yourself. Don't regulate your child, you regulate yourself. Because if you are regulated, your child needs a calm nervous system to borrow. आपका nervous system calm होगा ना, your child will borrow that and he will take that.
So that means the child do feed off energies.
They feed off absolutely off the energies because they don't have their energies to produce in 0 to 7 years.
Okay.
They are feeding off your energies, your words, your thoughts and your silence.
So when it comes to a couple of parents, basically a father and mother going home, and they are discussing about the issues in life, about the finances, about the things that are not right. Should that be around a child or never?
See, you can
Like,
you
because
can
energies, right?
you can discuss whatever you want to discuss. You just have to make sure that it's a healthy conversation.
Okay.
Why can't I discuss finances with my husband? I can, but am I yelling about it? Am I, like giving a hard time about it?
Or your tonality
Your
matters.
tonality, right? So हम आइसक्रीम के मैटर में भी झगड़ सकते हैं और हम बहुत सीरियस इश्यूज के बारे में भी काम रह सकते हैं,
Wow, that's beautiful. Yeah.
right? So the point is that whatever you talk, just have good tonality, good energies, and a healthy discussion as long as your child is involved.
So when it comes to tantrums, like the way we were talking about, and I know we are not talking about 0 to 7 anymore. Let's move on past that age. So there are kids, who are bullied in school. There are kids who are experiencing a lot of pressure from the peers, especially in the day and age of social media. We'll get to the social media question, but before that, how do we draw a line when it comes to a tantrum, or when it comes to feeling anxious, or a child going through something which is troubling the child mentally? Is there a way we can figure that out or gauge that?
So I think the whole the game of child's behavior, whatever he's behaving, he's trying to communicate something, right? His behavior is a communication.
Okay.
So our parents, number one, identifying that communication, that what is my child trying to tell me? When he's behaving in a certain way, my child is definitely trying to tell me something. Let me decode it. And in all of this, what really, when we, filter down karke, what matters is how much connection do I have with my child? Because we are so busy in our lives, and 0 to 7 years mein, we all have great parenting enthusiasm.
Yeah.
After that, once they're like, हाँ ठीक है अभी, तू देख ले. Right? We lose that enthusiasm because we also like, हो गया अभी बड़ा हो गया बच्चा. But at every phase, as I said, your child needs you. Even if they show that they don't need you, they need you more than ever. Right? So tab, having that connection, having that communication, having family rituals where you're having dinners together or you're doing this thing together, it just keeps your child so close to you, and they will communicate with you that mama, I'm feeling this. और बच्चों को starting से ही emotional vocabulary सिखाना, emotional literacy सिखाना, that this what you're feeling is called jealousy, this what you're feeling is called anxiety, this what you're thinking is negative thinking. For example, Agastya was feeling jealous when I was taking Amara, when we were dancing, and he's like, Mama, aap Amara ko hi lete ho, mujhe lete hi nahi ho. And then when I was putting him to sleep, I told him, Agastya, this what you're feeling is jealousy, and it's normal to feel that way. It's okay, bacha. And within 2 days, he came to me when I was playing with Amara, Mama, I'm feeling jealous. I'm like, yes, bacha, it's okay, come, let me include you. So basically, emotional vocabulary is so important for kids to detangle what they're actually feeling and to say it out. And it's normal to feel this.
But I love the, approach that Agastya had towards you, that he had the, comfort level in a way to come and tell you, Mama, I'm feeling like this.
Yep.
A lot of parents don't get to experience that because of the early detachment that they've had or the importance that they've not given. Talking about that, could you please tell me top 3 things that a household should do with their kids day in and day out? Like you said, eat dinner together, a ritual, a routine, or go to gurudwaras or mosque or churches or temples on Sundays. So top 3 things that a family should do day in and day out that could really help papas out there.
So, ye rituals, on what basis do we build? On the basis of building their logic brain, building their emotional brain, and building their subconscious mind. ये 3 चीजों पे हमें build करना है, because these 3 are the pillars of my child's entire lifetime. ठीक है? Logic build करने के लिए families every single day at least 15-20 minutes of Lego board game play करो, where you are having like dear time. What we call is DEAR, drop everything and reconnect. Dear time.
DEAR, drop everything and reconnect.
Right? So that's dear time, where you're doing some logic building activity.
Wow. Okay.
Right? Fathers especially, because kids connect with fathers on logic, kids connect with mothers on emotions, on nurturing. Right? So number 2 is having family dinners where we are talking about lot of things, what happened in my day, what happened in your day, what happened in the school. Or usme I will just throw certain questions on Agastya. Agastya, that friend, no, she did not talk to me today. I'm feeling so sad. मुझे नंबर दो, मैं उसको कॉल करता हूँ. क्यों मेरी मम्मा के साथ ऐसा किया? I'm like, बच्चा, we can't call anyone like that, no? तो मम्मा आप एक काम करो, आप दूसरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ प्ले करो, उसको जाने दो. Sure, Agastya, that's a great idea. Tomorrow I'm going to do that. Now, ये process में मैंने क्या किया? Because I know tomorrow when he goes to school, there are certain boys who are going to bully him, who are going to ignore him, but उसका script already ready है. उसको क्या करना है? Just play with other people.
You gave him power.
I gave him power, I gave him idea, and he only gave that idea to himself. मैंने just उसका subconscious mind programming किया, ऐसा होगा और उसमें क्या करना है, ये करना है. So, ये as a mother, my role is 0 to 7 years में मैं मेरे बच्चे का emotional programming करूँ. उसको situations देते रहो. ऐसा हुआ अगर से फुटबॉल में अगर मैं गोल स्कोर नहीं कर पाई तो मम्मा यू कांट स्कोर अ गोल एवरी टाइम, यू विल फेल समटाइम्स, सो इट्स ओके टू फेल ना. ऑफ कोर्स मम्मा, दैट्स फॉर यू ओनली. मम्मा नोज.
Mama is so smart, dude. Mama, I want you to come to my house sometime. Sit with my wife and my daughter.
Yeah,
and
Masoom told me the same thing. Shraddha, come to move in with me. I'm like, okay, coming.
ये ज्ञान का भंडार है औरत में. Okay.
And third thing, and the most important thing that you could do with your child is affirmations. Before your child sleeps and after, as soon as your child wakes up. Why? Because सोने से पहले हमारा ब्रेन चला जाता है थीटा ब्रेन वेव. थीटा ब्रेन वेव क्या है? जब हमारा ब्रेन वेव एकदम स्लो एंड एकदम रिसेप्टिव हो जाता है. और उस टाइम मैं जो बच्चे को बोल रही हूँ उसके ब्रेन में हिप्नोसिस की तरह एक ब्लूप्रिंट बन रहा है.
Oh, wow.
So utilize those 5 magical minutes to reprogram, to train your child's brain. Like we always talk about, I'm healthy, I eat healthy food, I listen to my parents, I have a sharp brain, I love going to my school, I love reading, I'm a champion, I'm a leader. And I see those reflections in my child day in and day out because उसके brain में ये सारा programming करके रखा है. It's an app.
And you're making such a conscious effort every single day.
Every
of
single
your
day,
day.
because your subconscious mind works on repetition and emotion. हम जितना feel करेंगे, 37.2 trillion cells in my body need to feel what I'm saying. Only then they will start believing and it will be a part of my zehen.
Oof, deep.
Yeah,
Very deep. Yeah,
Science.
Absolutely. Wow.
this is science.
Yeah. No,
Right?
That's quite incredible, yeah, Shweta. And now let's get into the aspect of kids or teens when it comes to, them being on the spectrum of autism or them being, having some kind of mental disorder, unfortunately. How do parents deal with them? In what capacity can they? Do they need to go to expert all the time, or can they just, figure out a way? Like, I understand the connection is the key, but are there any
Yeah.
things
So,
that they can do?
so first of all, a lot of parents, they live in denial that नहीं मेरे बच्चे को तो ऐसा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. So it is very crucial that if we are seeing anything that's unusual on daily basis, impacting their daily lives, then we have to identify that something is not right and early intervention is needed and professional help is needed.
Okay.
So you cannot live in denial कि मेरे बच्चे को कुछ नहीं हो सकता. You cannot be like नहीं मैं ये इतना करूंगी, ये क्लास में ले जाऊंगी, ये क्लास में कर दूंगी तो हो जाएगा सब. If you feel there's something that's off on daily basis repeatedly, कुछ सही नहीं है, normal developmental milestones meet नहीं हो रहे हैं, you must take consultation from a professional, and there is no other way.
And do it earlier so that, if there
जितना
is
early intervention होगा उतना जल्दी that spectrum will come
shrink.
close, shrink, and your child will start having a normal life early. और जितना हम delay करेंगे उतना वो gap बढ़ता जाएगा and it will be difficult to bridge that gap later on in life, because 0 to 7 years again मेरा brain उसी time build हो रहा है. My neural connections, my entire neurology is built in this time only.
So this is the most crucial time.
It
0
is.
to 7 is, and so there is one thing that I do that Alana sleeps with us. My daughter's name is Alana, and we like I hold her and I sleep every night. Sometimes she's annoyed, then I have to leave her, which
Wow.
I don't want to, but I still do. And then she
Amazing.
wakes up with me, and then I'm holding her in the morning and everything. So I'm doing that, but I still am like I should do more.
Yeah.
What else can I do to make sure that I'm on the right track? Anyway, not digressing from the topic, talking about kids in school. I was really bad. Like
Mhm.
I failed twice. I was
Mhm.
that bad in studies, and my parents did not know any better at that time कि इसको पढ़ाएं कैसे. वो बेचारे ट्यूशन लगवा देते थे. मैं ट्यूशन में जाके सो जाता था. But when it comes to today, there are kids who are doing well, and there are kids who are not doing that well. Kids who are not doing that well academically, how can parents intervene and do it right, apart from giving tuitions?
So, first of all, we understand that each child has their own unique strength. Like, for example, you have your own unique strength. Probably academics was not something that's your forte, and it is like you cannot judge a fish's ability, potential by its ability to fly. Right? मैं अगर सोचूंगी कि fish fly नहीं कर सकता means fish is a failure. But उसका strength कुछ और है, right?
That's so funny, but so right.
Yeah, correct. So I think we identify what my child is good at, and we kind of encourage our children to do that. And also, having said that, we put responsibility on our children's head. For example, what parents are doing wrong today is that I will do everything for my child. तुम बस जियो, तुम रोना भी नहीं, तुम बहुत खुश रहो, सब कुछ लोड मैं ले लूंगी, तुम्हारा सारा काम मैं कर दूंगी, तुम्हारे शूलेस में टाई करूंगी, तुम्हारा बटन में बांधूंगी, तुम्हारा होमवर्क मैं करवाऊंगी, तुम नहीं करोगे तो मैं कर दूंगी. Stop over parenting. Give them responsibility. But I trust you. I have this vision for you. You can be this. You have so much potential. आप ये बन सकते हो. You choose बच्चा. What are you choosing, right? अगर आप बेकार भी choose कर रहे हो ना, it's okay. I see you're making poor choice, but it's your choice. All I can do is guide you. मैं जितना मेरे बच्चे को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी डालूंगी, उतना मेरा बच्चा खुद का ब्रेन यूज करेगा एंड उसका रेगुलेट एंड चैनलाइज होगा दैट यू नो व्हाट आई हैव टू डू दिस फॉर मी. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, बच्चे को ये बोल रहे यू हैव टू स्कोर गुड फॉर मी. नो, यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर योरसेल्फ, right? So make children responsible, stop over parenting. And there's a worst thing that you're doing for your child's confidence is over parenting. हम बच्चे को ना रोने देते हैं, ना कुछ भी नहीं, कू भी नहीं होना चाहिए. And when children को हम discomfort वाला feeling ही नहीं लेने देते, so उनका emotional regulation इतना weak होता है, वो लोग emotionally इतने weak होते हैं, इतने fickle minded होते हैं, that थोड़ा भी trouble आया ना, anxiety, depression, therapy ये सब हो जाता है. So we as parents need to put our kids in the moments of discomfort. Something that they're not comfortable, okay, be in that. Deal with it. I'm here to guide you. I'm here to sit by you. But I can't do it. It's your walk and you have to walk your walk.
Oof.
I can only be there to guide you.
So too much parenting is bad parenting.
And too much parenting is already happening.
Yeah, it's happening. That's the reason I believe there are so many, because it has happened and now the effects are coming in with the therapies and
also
the
with-
mental health and everything.
With Instagram or with so many, mommies like coming together and discussing children all the time. It's just getting unhealthy more so for children.
Absolutely.
Moms are having a blast,
Yeah.
having lunch and talking about kids. But ultimately, kids are the ones who are suffering.
Talking about social media, Shweta, it is chaotic. Like even for people of our age, it is chaotic. Where you have said that so many neurons have faded away, but there are few which are clinging on to validation, who are clinging on to comparison, who are clinging on social media, right? And I get anxiety looking at the kind of news that is on Instagram, TikTok, the world the way it is. And at this age, for me to feel like that, after being through so much in life, is a big thing. For kids, they are fresh, they are supposed to be extremely innocent. Should we even introduce them to social media?
Hell no.
Not age.
Absolutely no. Absolutely no. So basically, let's say screen is something that we cannot remove screens from our life completely, right? Because it's become an integral part of who we are,
Yeah.
right? So there has to be some regulation around it. And what regulation? We have the signal rule. What the signal rule is red, yellow, and green. So red is reels, in shorts, TikTok, anything that's 15 seconds that constantly pops some different emotion, some different music, some different screen colors popping in every 15 seconds is a big no. Why? Because my brain का एक certain brain wave है. And with that overstimulation, they get excited, they get overstimulated, and hence anger issues, frustration, irritation early on kids को आता है because overstimulation हो रहा है. My brain is literally becoming like a popcorn brain because every 15 seconds something new is happening. And right now, my brain needs stability, it needs rhythm, it needs softness, it needs nature, natural elements, sand, मिट्टी, trees, हवा, मुझे ये सब चाहिए for my brain to develop. और जितना ये सब आ रहा है उतना मेरा brain is getting damaged.
Oh wow. Yeah.
So red is anything that's fast paced, high animation, loud, very colorful, very interesting is a no. Do you know there's a research, Cocomelon के scientist क्या करते हैं? They would put 40 kids just like this, a big screen, 40 kids को रखेंगे in a room. जो सेकंड पे कोई भी बच्चा एक सेकंड के लिए भी डिस्ट्रैक्ट हुआ ना स्क्रीन से, that they will change to making it more stimulated.
Oh my.
So in 2 minutes, constant engagement हर एक बच्चे का, and this is their strategy to grow the business. So this is a red. What's yellow is once in a while, if on weekends, if I'm watching something for 20 minutes, is okay in moderation.
On TV, not
On
on the
TV,
phone.
not on the phone. Phone is for us and it's for work.
Yeah.
Phone is not for children. हम फोन की तो बात ही नहीं कर रहे.
ठीक. Okay. मैं तो बहुत कुछ सीख रहा हूँ.
Sorry, मैं
नहीं,
आपको ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने आपको डांट दिया.
नहीं आप डांटो बिल्कुल, मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखना है. And आप अभी जब आप मुझे कह रहे थे about have your vision, I'm there with you. Somehow I felt it and I was like, तू है ना, ठीक हो जाएगा सब लाइफ में, तो thank you. That. So no phones, but yeah, screen for kids, that is a yellow, that would be for 20 minutes.
20 minutes weekends पे अगर हम देख रहे हैं. And what is a green is co-viewing, absolute regulation on what content my child is seeing. Your daughter is 10 months, but the day she's going to be 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, you know the kind of content that's coming online which is accessible to kids. It is lethal. And we don't want our kids to get exposed to that kind of content. So, co-viewing, also having a check on what kind of content my child is watching. Anything that's long-paced, educational, low stimulation is most welcome. Absolutely yes. जहाँ पे National Geographic, anything animals है, nature के related है, nature trails है, yes, can watch. For example, Agastya and I, we watch Sundays, we watch Peppa Pig. And we both watch together and I enjoy it with him. And वो देखते देखते हम बात भी कर रहे हैं, ये कैसा और कितना funny है ये. So I'm having a silly laugh with him. Yeah. And we are connecting over that.
Yeah.
So हम screen time को भी connection based healthy screen time कर सकते हैं. It doesn't have to be like, okay, you watch your television and I'm going to do my work. And of course, we are very busy as individuals. We have a lot of, our work is very demanding. Schedules are so demanding. But घर पे हम ऐसा ecosystem बनाए that हम अगर नहीं है ना, फिर भी यही एक घर पे follow हो रहा है सब. Yeah. Ecosystem को हम हमारे ecosystem को enlighten करें.
And it just keeps rolling on itself and
yeah,
going on itself.
थोड़ा autopilot पे आ सके that with me, without me, these are the rules that, and घर पे rules होना बहुत important है. और बच्चे को भी हम 30 times consistently वो rule बताएंगे ना, 31st time 5% my child will understand. But consistency is the key and coming from everybody. Everybody in the family come together.
Yeah. It's
मम्मा
not like
ने मना
मम्मा ने
किया
कहा तो पापा हाँ कर रहे हैं. That
हाँ
can't happen.
वो एब्सोल्युटली नॉट मतलब वो बच्चे के ब्रेन पे मम्मा का इम्प्रेशन या मम्मा का वैल्यू इतना कम हो रहा है बच्चा will think my mom is not important because what my father says that only happens और मम्मा is not important because दादी तो हमें दे ही देती है.
Last two questions, Shweta. First would be for me. I need the biggest piece of advice from you as a parent to a 10-month-old daughter. I have a long journey ahead, God willing. And,
Of course you do, long way to go.
and I want to make sure that, I'm not over-parenting. And जो मैंने अभी आपसे सुना, तो if you can give me any advice, yeah, that would really help me.
For modern parents, as I said, stop over parenting and just work on connecting with the child. Nothing will work like connection. So connect for real, be present physically, emotionally for your child, and that's it.
And that's it. And last, you've seen Sheikh Zayed Road here, right?
Yeah.
In Dubai.
Yeah.
It's very, very big, right?
Yeah.
So I give you a hoarding there, and it says, the biggest, the one piece of advice for all the parents by you. What
Wow.
would that be? Just one big.
Oh, that's a big billboard.
big billboard, but one line.
Well, it would be connection before correction. So a lot of parents, they keep on correcting the child. ऐसा करो, वैसा करो, ऐसा.
This is
Right.
Mike.
हाँ.
Drop it.
हाँ.
Well done. Connection before correction.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
Yeah, that's my golden mantra for parenting. I follow it through and through. I never scold, advise to my child. I just connect with them and I explain, I counsel, and I inspire. I don't impose. ऐसा ही करो, no. ऐसा करोगे तो it'll work. You wanna try?
I love your
Inspired.
approach is like this and not
हाँ.
like this. And it's
हाँ.
quite amazing to see
हाँ.
that because, we understand this. Kids
हाँ.
don't.
Kids don't.
And how you're triggering your,
And I'm
son
not
and your
putting
daughter.
pressure on my child. I'm just telling this is a better way to do. Do you want to try? If not, I'm cool. But if yes, okay, I'm going to be with you. Let's try together.
And you have exposed them to everything in your capacity. Let it be sports, let it be education,
Yeah,
let
yeah,
it be, extracurricular activities, let it be
Absolutely.
singing, anything. You have done that.
Of course.
And then they pick what they like and they go ahead with it. Correct?
Absolutely.
Okay, that's amazing. All right. Any closing words from you to all the parents on all three cameras, if there would be, please.
So your child is not giving you a hard time. Your child is having a hard time because their brains are developing. So be very, very calm and patient with them. Always remember that when they're having a tantrum, their thinking brain is hijacked, hence they cannot think logically. So तब आप उनको अगर advice दे रहे हो, उनके brain में नहीं जा रहा है, so stop advising, start connecting and start being calm with them. And you will see the result. Always remember this, hijack.
Yeah. Are you also doing training for men?
Training for men for what?
like psychoanalysis and guiding them and क्योंकि इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना तुमसे बात करके कि
Thank
like
you.
I feel like I can sit 2-3 hours with you over coffee and sort my life out. No, genuinely. Like I think you're brilliant.
Thank
You do
you.
NLP also, right?
Yeah.
And is it only for kids?
No, NLP is for adults, of course.
Done.
City 1016.